Hello students, this is your chemistry class and now the first chapter for you all is matter in our surrounding. As we all know that matter means a substance that occupies space and have some mass. Okay, so here just look around yourself. There may be so many things around you and even my too. Okay, so what you have observed that they are large, they are small, their sizes, even different textures. And you know what? Everything in this universe is made up of material which scientists have named matter. Even the air that we breathe, okay, the plants, the clouds, stars, even a drop of water and a particle of sand, they all are matter. So let's talk about something very old, means early times. Okay, so at that time, the early Indian philosophers classified the matter into 5 basic elements. They were air, water, sky, earth and fire. Okay, and then they called it as Panch Tattva. According to them, everything on earth, whether it is living or non-living, means it can be a plant or animal or it can be air, water. Okay, everything is made up of these 5 basic elements. Even the ancient Greek philosophers also arrived at the similar classification of matter. Now, in modern days, scientists evolved 2 types of classification of matter which was based on its physical properties as well as its chemical properties. So let's start with the physical nature of matter. Okay, physical nature means whatever you can see by your eyes, that you can feel by touching anything. Okay, whatever that you can feel, that you can touch by outside, that is physical nature. Okay, so here let's have an example. If we talk about school, it can be our or someone else's school. So that particular school is made up of blocks and these blocks are bricks. So here what do you observe? That a particular building of school is also made up of blocks, they are the bricks. So similarly, matter is made up of particles. Now let's do an activity to ensure that matter is made up of particles. Let's start. So see, here I have a glass half filled with water. I have salt, I have spoon. You can use sugar also, but I have taken salt. Okay, so what we have to do is, first I have marked the glass with blue ink, means the level of water is being marked with the help of blue pen. Okay, here you can see the level. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to pour some salt. Okay, this much. Let's pour some more. Now I am going to stir it. And leave it for a short while. See, the water has salt in it, but one more thing, did you observe the level Did you observe the level? The level is same as before. Okay. Now let's do something else also. Before the next activity, I have something for you all, that in this activity what we did is we added water with salt or sugar, and we have got the solution of water and salt dissolved completely. Okay, so here the very first question that arises was, where did the salt go and why the level of water is same? You must be thinking. So the answer is, particle of matter is small and has got adjusted between the space of molecules of water. It means that the particles which we have dissolved in water was small. You can say that beyond our imagination, it was small, that it has got adjusted between the molecules of water, due to which we are unable to see those particles, as well as the level of water remains same. Okay, so here the conclusion is that matter is made up of particles. Now the activity which I had asked you all in the beginning of the activities, here I have 2 glasses of water and water is 100 ml. Then I have a cup of Dettol with a cap with measuring lines. Okay, as your books, it has the crystal of potassium permanganate, but nowadays Dettol is very much available, so we can use it as a prop for our activity, and the same you can do at your home also. Okay, so it is quite safe for you all, and as per potassium permanganate, that you will be able to get in school or in the laboratories. Okay, so here what I am going to do is, I have measured 10 ml of Dettol in this cap, and I am going to pour this Dettol in the first glass. What did you observe? You have observed that Dettol in the first glass has been dissolved completely. But if we talk about the earlier color of that Dettol, it was quite mustard yellow. Okay, but now it is white in color. So what does it says? It says that in the beginning that particular liquid was concentrated. Now it has water in it, so it has become quite dilute. Let's do one thing. As I have a measuring cap, in this we are going to pour 10 ml of this solution. So now I have 10 ml of Dettol solution. That again I am going to pour in the another glass which has plain water. If we talk about the color, so you can see as we have changed the water. Change the water means as we have taken the another glass and has taken 10 ml of Dettol solution from the first glass and has poured in the second, the color has been faded. But if we talk about the smell, so that you are going to smell until the water gets feel like that it is plain in observation, till you are going to smell it. It is all because that the particles which are mixed in it, they are very much small, that they keep on dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles. That is why in the first container it was quite whitish, in the second container it is quite fade, and might be in third container the water will look like plain water. But you are going to see the smell which is coming out from the first container is quite light, but same as in the second, and it might be same in the third also. Okay, so what do we observe? That the particles of matter are very small, that they are beyond our imagination. Okay, the property that we discussed very first was about the size of the particles. Now the second property, that is particles are moving constantly, we are going to discuss this in our next video. So till then, wait for the another video and keep studying. Thank you.